Are you struggling with how to title a book? You are not alone, because most authors have had many sleepless nights over exactly that. A great title is the key in getting potential readers to connect with your book. Your title is one of your book's first impressions on book buyers, and it should be interesting, gripping, and relevant to your book. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to come up with a successful book title. Hi there, I'm Grunt and I'm the founder and CEO of The Books Factory, which helps you turn your ideas into a best-selling book even if you don't have the time or skill to write a book. In this video, we're going to cover the qualities of a winning book title, a few great ideas to get you started on writing a successful book title, and how to start self-publishing by writing a book title. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red button below. That way, when I teach you the next, latest and greatest thing about self-publishing, you will get notified because you subscribe. Now let's begin. First, let's talk about what are the qualities of a successful book title. First quality is attention grabbing. A bad title is unremarkable, and a great one stands out and draws people's attention by being proactive, controversial, and promising. Here are a few examples of attention grabbing titles. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F***, The 4-Hour Work Week, First Break All the Rules. Now, second quality of a successful book title is it should be easy to remember. A successful book title does not grab attention only to be forgotten later. Think about how your book title should stand out from all the information that is flooding the market. Third quality is your book title should be searchable. A successful book title should lend itself easily to Google's and Amazon's searchability. You can use your Kindle keywords in your title to make it more searchable. I have created another video on how to find best keywords for your book, and I have provided a link to that video in the description below. Check that out. Fourth quality is your title should be short. Not only is a short title attention grabbing and easy to remember, but it also makes for a more visually appealing book cover design. Coming to the fifth quality, your book title should be informative. An effective book title gives you an idea of what the book title is all about right away. You may ask, how can a good title be both short and informative? Your one-word main title supported by a subtitle that briefly explain the idea behind the book will do the trick. Here are a few examples. Range, why generalists triumph in a specialized world. Outliers, the story of success. Grit, the power of passion and perseverance. So these were 5 qualities of a successful book title. Now just for you, here are a few ideas with examples to get you started on writing a successful non-fiction book title. Idea number 1, a clever turn of phrase. This style could be memorable because it suggests to the reader that the book is exciting, engaging, and original. Here are examples. Crushing it, never split the difference, billion-dollar whale. Idea number 2, a promise of value. You can create a title that presents achievement or a picture of a successful outcome. Here are a few examples. I'll teach you to be rich, the total money makeover, secrets for closing a sale. Idea number 3, a numbered guide. And here are a few examples. 48 Laws of Power, the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, how to talk to anyone, 92 Little Tricks. Idea number 4, a curious expression. Examples, who moved my cheese, lean in, shoe dog. Idea number 5, a straightforward challenge. And here are a few examples. Dare to lead, how to manage your money when you don't have any, getting past no. Sometimes it pays to do the tried and tested title templates. Just fill in the blanks to any of the following examples to complete the book title. The secrets to, the art of, the science of, the joy of, confessions of, a journey to, finding your, knowing your, on the subject of, a brief history of, the life and times of, how to. So these were some of the strategies and ideas to write a successful winning book title. If you find this video valuable, please click on the like button to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also tell other people about it. And leave a comment below if you need me to help you with your book title. Or if you are stuck on your publishing journey and you just want personal help from me and my team of professional book writers, editors, book designers and marketers, check out my done for you publishing company, The Books Factory. Just Google it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See you, take care, bye bye.